Hello everyone, my name is Rupana and this is my 112 project called Plot Twist. Plot Twist is a graphing calculator that has all the functionality, um, almost all the functionality of a regular calculator. Oops, let's rewrite that. So we are in parametric mode. So if we go to Cartesian mode, we can graph, let's say, sine of x, and you can see it graphs it accurately. Has nice little intercepts if you want to see what those are. I use Newton laws of approximation recursively to find all the intercepts and the intersections between any two functions in a certain window neighborhood. So there's the intersections between sine and cosine. That's pretty cool. You can also take derivatives of functions, and with my own derivative function method, it spits out what the actual derivative is. So we expect the derivative of sine to be cosine. So let's put like cosine x minus 1 just to compare. And yeah, so we see that it accurately does derivatives. It can do second derivatives too as well if user wishes. Let's see. Nice cool little picture that the user that I like to draw sometimes. Let's put in a greatest integer function here, maybe an absolute value function, and let's maybe put this. Nice. So that's pretty cool. So that was Cartesian. Notice how you can also zoom in and zoom out with auto scaling, so it doesn't get too crowded. So you can see the scales went from 3. Change it to pi if you want. Yada yada yada. All right, let's go to polar. We know that sine theta is simply a nice little circle. So, that's one way to show that my program's accurate. Let's graph something that's pretty cool. This graphs kind of like a star. That's pretty cool. You can double check with Desmos if you want. So yeah, graphs the same thing. So that's pretty cool. And that's polar. You just had to put in theta and you can graph any function you want. Let's say if you want Archimedes spiral, let's make that 0.5 to make it a little bit more apparent. That's pretty cool. Parametric, it's pretty straightforward. Use t. I do have my own parse function method which goes through and parses out the function and creates it into a function object. It is a very long and tedious function, but I got it done eventually. So this is sine t. Pretty cool formula if you want to graph is the following. 5 pi, let's see, let's get that back here. Yep, creates a nice little box if you zoom in. So you can do pretty neat things with parametric and polar. Statistics, if you give it a bunch of coordinates, it will plot a regression line for you. So that's pretty cool. And you can click on the points if you wish and see what those values are. You can scrub to see what the regression line is. Here's the statistical information, r squared, and the regression line formula. And that comprises of the main features of my project. Thank you very much.